Off the hook. Freed from a difficult situation or responsibility. He was completely off the hook after someone else confessed to the crime. Out of left field. Unexpected, unconventional, or strange. His suggestion came completely out of left field. Roll with the punches. To cope with difficulties as they arise, to be flexible. Life throws challenges at you, and you just have to roll with the punches. Run like the wind. To run very fast. He ran like the wind to catch the bus. Shot in the dark. A wild guess or a risky attempt with little chance of success. I didn't know the answer, so I just took a shot in the dark. Sink or swim. To succeed or fail entirely by one's own efforts. When he started his own business, it was sink or swim. Stand your ground. To maintain your position or opinion even when challenged. Despite the pressure, she stood her ground and refused to sign the unfair contract. The big picture. The situation as a whole, rather than just the details. Don't get bogged down in the minor issues, focus on the big picture. The early bird catches the worm. Success comes to those who prepare well or act promptly. If you want to get good seats, you have to arrive early. The early bird catches the worm.